In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a music cover in Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your idea into a polished, AI-generated cover that's ready to share. Start by opening Magnific and heading to the image generator on the left sidebar. This is your creative workspace, where you'll set the style, guide the look, and generate final options. Before you begin, think about the vibe of your track genre, mood, colors, and any visual motifs so your choices stay consistent. Next, choose your model. Different models excel at different looks. Some lean more photorealistic, others feel illustrative or stylized. If you want a bold graphic cover for electronic or hip hop, a style-forward model can help. For folk or singer-songwriter, a softer textured model might be better. Pick what aligns with your sound and audience. Head to the References section to steer the output. Click Add, select your source images, and confirm. References can be anything that communicates tone, color palettes, textures, abstract shapes, or imagery you own or have rights to use. Keep them cohesive. 3 strong references that share a look usually guide better than a scattered mix. Now craft your prompt. Be specific and descriptive. Include genre, mood, color scheme, key elements, and era cues, like moody, synthwave skyline in neon, magenta, and cyan. Retro future vibe. If you don't want text baked into the image, say no text. Short, clear phrases often beat long paragraphs. Choose how many results you want. More results give variety but can take longer. If you're still exploring the look, generate more. If you're narrowing down, fewer can be faster. Select your layout. For music covers, a square format is standard and works well across platforms. Consider how a central focal point will read as a small thumbnail. When you're ready, click Generate. Review the outputs for clarity, mood, and how well they match your prompt and references. If something's close but not perfect, tweak the prompt or swap a reference and generate again. Save your favorite, and you've got a polished music cover made in Magnific AI Desktop